So today we're going to be creating a thumbnail using vidIQ and ChatGPT. And I'm going to ask ChatGPT, I need a thumbnail idea. The key word here is put idea, not I need a thumbnail, or it'll try to create one for you. So I need a thumbnail idea for a YouTube video called How to Create Cool Thumbnails with Chat GPT and vidIQ. Can you help? And it's going to come back and give me an idea. Now, you can ask it for changes to this idea. You can say you don't like certain things. You can come in and say you want to add certain things or you want to take away certain things. But you can see AI-powered thumbnails, ChatGPT equals viral. These are pretty good quotes for what I want. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to copy all the way up to the top of the thumbnail thing. And then I'm going to run over to ChatGPT and I'm going to go into create thumbnails and I'm going to paste what it's asking me, what it talked to me about. Now, what this will do is this will create the generic version of it. And it will allow you to see kind of what that thumbnail looks like. If you don't like that thumbnail, you can come over here to ChatGPT and say, let's try that again. Do you have another? And it will create you a second thumbnail. Usually they're pretty unique. Now I come back over here, and as you can see, it's come up with 3 really cool thumbnails. Now, let's suppose that I wanted my image on those. What I can do is I can hit either recreate, but what I usually do is paste the same text and then add my picture to it. And let's say I want this picture here. And then I hit create again, and this vidIQ will then go out and generate another set of thumbnails. And with their license version, you can generate as many of these as you want to get exactly what you're looking for. You can also request changes. Also, if you don't like something, as you can see, this is perfect for what I want to do. And I'm going to use AI-powered thumbnails. This one's good. This one equals viral. This one, I like this. If I get a third one here, AI-powered thumbnail, yep, this is perfect. I'm going to use this for all 3 of the thumbnails for this video today. And so all you have to do at that point is download, download, and download, and you have all 3 of those thumbnails. Now, if you wanted to customize it, you could just go into one of these, and you could put something like, come today for live stream, and you can set the style of this. I like this style. And if you wanted to add, whoops, if you wanted to add, whoa, what did I do? If you wanted to add an image to it, let's say we wanted a live stream image, just come in here, pick the live stream icon. It'll upload that. We could take that and put it up here in the corner. And now, if I had extra content or whatever, I wanted to put it here. Let's say I didn't like this banner and I wanted it in this style. I could just put that there. I can size it to the right size. But the idea is, as you get the idea, is you can quickly create thumbnails using AI that are high quality and very fast and increase your click-through rates. I hope this helps, and we'll see you on the next video.